Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here, and now we're gonna set up our environment for static server. Let's go to the terminal. First, make a directory. I'm gonna name it WebAssembly. Now I will initialize my new project with npm. You can also use yarn if you want. Type npm init, package name WebAssembly, no description, entry point index.js, no test command, no git repository for now. No keywords, and author is me, Asad Ali, and alidialasad@gmail.com, my email. And yes, now I will make a directory called public. Inside that I will make a file called index.html and another file server.js in the loop. Now drag it to your favorite editor. I'm gonna use Atom. Go inside index.html and throw some HTML5 boilerplate. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna change its name to WebAssembly demo, and inside the body tag I'm gonna use a h1 tag with a name of WebAssembly demo, and now add a script tag, and inside that we're gonna add WebAssembly in the future. Now I'm gonna clear the terminal. Now I'm gonna install Express.js for my static server, because Express is a simple, reliable Node.js framework. You do not need to know Express for this course or any other framework, but it would be better if you know that. Let's head back to server.js, the file where we can now require the Express module with the constant Express equals to require Express, and create an Express server on an app by const calling Express that imported module conductor with our server. Already, I will simply tell Express to serve static files from our public directory and use express.static, passing in the path to that directory from which we want our files to serve public. But again, the reason for doing all of this will make more sense in the next lesson. And finally, app.listen on port 2222 with a log message of server is running on port 22. In the package.json, add a new script tag called start, which will start our node.index.js. Head on to the terminal and type npm run start. Our server is working as expected. In the next lesson, we're gonna explore the basics of loading and running WebAssembly file with the help of WASM.com. So see you guys then.